The world watched in awe and confusion. Mysterious drones were spotted over New York City and New Jersey. These weren't your everyday drones. They moved with an eerie grace and speed, defying our understanding of technology. The internet exploded with videos and theories. What were these things? Where did they come from? The mystery deepened with each passing day. Hundreds of people witnessed the strange aerial displays. Their accounts were strikingly similar. The drones were described as large, dark, and triangular. They moved silently and at incredible speeds. Some witnesses said the drones seemed to change shape in mid-air. Others reported seeing strange lights emanating from them. The consistency of these accounts added to the enigma. The drones' capabilities were beyond anything we thought possible. They moved with a speed and agility unmatched by any known aircraft. They seemed to defy gravity, hovering silently for extended periods. Some experts suggested advanced propulsion systems or even anti-gravity technology, but these were just theories. The truth was, nobody knew how these drones worked. Joe Rogan weighs in. A discussion on the Joe Rogan Experience. The Joe Rogan Experience, one of the most popular podcasts in the world, has become a platform for discussing a wide range of intriguing topics. From comedy and fitness to science and conspiracy theories, Joe Rogan covers it all. In this section, we delve into one of the most captivating discussions on his show. The mysterious drones became a hot topic on the Joe Rogan Experience. These unidentified flying objects have been spotted in various locations, sparking curiosity and debate among the public. Joe Rogan, known for his inquisitive nature, couldn't resist diving into this mystery. Joe discussed the sightings with experts in various fields. He invited scientists, military personnel, and even UFO enthusiasts to share their insights. Each guest brought a unique perspective, making the conversation rich and multifaceted. The discussions ranged from technical analyses of drone capabilities to speculative theories about their origins. They explored every possible explanation, from advanced military technology to extraterrestrial origins. The experts debated the likelihood of these drones being top-secret military projects versus the possibility of them being visitors from another world. The conversation was both enlightening and thought-provoking. The discussions were mind-blowing, leaving listeners with more questions than answers. Joe's ability to ask the right questions and his genuine curiosity kept the audience engaged. Listeners found themselves pondering the mysteries of the universe long after the episode ended. Joe, known for his open-mindedness, entertained all possibilities. He didn't dismiss any theory outright, no matter how far-fetched it seemed. This open-minded approach is what makes the Joe Rogan Experience so compelling. It encourages listeners to think critically and explore new ideas, making every episode a journey of discovery. Public reactions and theories, from skepticism to alien speculation. The public was both fascinated and frightened. Theories ranged from government experiments to alien surveillance. Social media buzzed with speculation. Some dismissed the sightings as hoaxes or misidentified objects. Others saw them as proof of advanced technology or even extraterrestrial life. The lack of a clear explanation fueled the imagination. The silence of authorities. Why are there no official explanations? Adding to the mystery was the deafening silence from official sources. Despite the public's growing concern and the media's relentless pursuit of answers, the authorities remained tight-lipped. This silence was not just a lack of information, it was a deliberate choice to withhold details from the public. The government offered no explanations, only vague statements about investigating the matter. Press conferences were held, but they provided little to no substantial information. Officials often deflected questions, leaving journalists and citizens alike frustrated and suspicious. This lack of transparency fueled conspiracy theories. People began to speculate wildly, filling the information void with their own theories. Some believed there was a cover-up, while others thought the truth was too shocking to be revealed. Public trust in the authorities began to erode. Some speculated a government cover-up, hiding advanced technology or contact with extraterrestrial beings. Theories ranged from secret military projects to encounters with UFOs. The more the government stayed silent, the more these theories gained traction. The silence was more unsettling than any explanation. It created an atmosphere of fear and uncertainty. People were left to wonder what was really happening behind closed doors. The lack of official communication only deepened the mystery, making the situation even more ominous. Existential questions: what does this mean for humanity? The drone sightings raised profound questions about our place in the universe. As these mysterious objects moved silently across the sky, many began to wonder about their origins and purpose. Were they simply advanced human technology, or did they signify something far more extraordinary? Were we being watched by a more advanced intelligence? This question has haunted humanity for centuries, but the sudden appearance of these drones brought it to the forefront of our collective consciousness. The idea that we might not be alone in the universe is both thrilling and terrifying. Did these drones represent a technological leap beyond our comprehension? The sophistication and capabilities of these devices seemed to surpass anything we had seen before. They moved with precision and speed, evading detection and leaving no trace. This led many to speculate about the potential for new, undiscovered technologies. The sightings challenged our understanding of technology, the universe, and our place in it. They made us question the limits of human ingenuity and the possibility of other civilizations. Could these drones be a sign that we are on the brink of a new era of discovery and exploration? They forced us to confront the possibility that we are not alone. The implications of this are profound. If we are indeed being observed by an advanced intelligence, what does that mean for our future? How should we respond? These questions remain unanswered, but the search for truth continues, driving us to explore the unknown and expand our horizons.